So today we're talking about the Novoo 81 watt hour portable power station. So this is basically a portable inverter, if you like. It basically allows you to charge things like your laptop, drone batteries. It could also be as well just used for charging USB devices like your phone or your tablet, that kind of thing as well. So in the packaging, which is fairly average but okay, you've got an AC charger, so you can charge it at home before you leave or in the office or whatever. It's really quite a neat little unit. You've got a little cap on there for the plug. Obviously this is a UK version, so you can order it in multi-national versions with the correct AC plug socket type for your region. You've then got your input, which is your charge input, and then two outputs, USB-A, so you'd use your own charge cable in that circumstance, or Type-C as well. You've got an indicator light on the front there that tells you how much charge is left in there. So this does say it's an 81 watt hour battery. If you want to plug in something like a laptop charger or a drone charger, make sure that it's not more than 81 watts. It'll tell you on the back of the charger its rating. Make sure it's not more than 81, otherwise it just will fail to work. It's also rated 22,500 milliwatt hours as well. So that's a heck of a power bank if you just want to use it for charging things via the USB. So the lights on the front will flash for 30 seconds when the battery level is too low to be able to provide any power. Other than that, they are just indicators of battery level inside, and obviously we'll let you know when it's fully charged as well. So that's the power socket on top, and the green light will show you that it's powered on and the power socket's ready to work. I also used it to power my projector on a recent camping trip. Also really good, lasted for about an hour and a half, so quite good for showing movies off. So I think this is an excellent little battery backup to take around with you. Certainly, you know, say for example if you're camping or you're going out in your car and you want to be able to charge your laptop on the move, this is going to give you an extra charge that otherwise you'd need an inverter for or something like that. Far more compact than most inverters. Almost silent operation as well, does emit a slight buzz inside. But obviously that's because it's converting DC to AC power, and that's just unfortunately what happens with every type of inverter really. But yeah, really happy with that one. It takes around about 5 hours to charge it fully though. That's probably the only little downside. So I've been using this on and off now for the last couple of weeks, and I can get a full battery charge out of it, as well as charging 3 of my drone batteries. The other test that I did as well was I can charge my phone, my watch and my iPad 4 times, so that's not bad as well. That's the whole bunch of them 4 times. So it is quite a really good battery backup really, just to carry around with you. Like I say, you know, 5 hours to charge it is a bit of a downside, but it does mean you can just charge it overnight and then pick it up the next morning and you're ready to go again. As usual, links in the description down below if you want to go and buy one. Thanks for watching, see you again, bye.